To download Void War on a PC or laptop, start by visiting a website that features indie games, where you can browse and purchase games to support their developers. Once on the website, use the search bar at the top to find Void War, and click on the result to view more information about the game. The website is currently offering an alpha version of the game for $15, with the option to pay more to support the developers. The game is not yet available on Steam, but will be released there in the future. To purchase the alpha version, click the Buy Now button. Then choose your payment method, either PayPal or card. You can also gift the game to someone else by entering their email address. After completing the payment, you will receive a confirmation email, and you can download the game as a zipped folder. To play the game, simply unzip the folder, extract the contents, and double-click on the game to start playing. The game's developers are releasing this alpha version to gather player feedback, fix bugs, and improve the game before its official launch.